Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox healthy ragi drink. This is high in nutrient content and is a must try during breakfast. For this, I've taken 1 cup of ragi and I'm going to nicely soak this for 6 hours. What I've done for this video is I've already soaked this for 6 hours and you can see how it looks now. This is the soaked ragi. Now I'm going to carry this soaked ragi into the mixer jar, nicely empty it into it and top it up with protein-rich badams. Now I've soaked the badams and removed the skin. Now we add this into the mixer grinder. Next we add some elaichi for flavor. I top it up with some powdered jaggery. Now powdered jaggery is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. I then add 1 glass of boiled milk and nicely grind this. Once I grind it, I then add some coconut pieces and I'm going to grind it again very well. Here you can see the drink is now ground. I'm going to run it through a sieve so that all the hard particles are removed. Now our 100% detox ragi drink is ready to be had.